Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So that we have discussed about information. Now coming into the employee side. Employer would definitely have one thing there, face coming, face scale. I mean their sanitary details and their shift details are the role that position. I mean which. Okay, so in the offer letter, what are the things which we can able to see? One is the position, right? Yeah. Okay, what are the other things which we can see in the offer letter? One is the position, other, joining gate, joining date. Okay, what are the other things? I mean which department he is into like. Exactly. So when you are getting selected for a particular position, the position will be placed for a particular department, right? So we have position, we have department. What are the other things? I am the partner. What are the other things which we can see? Which we can see in an offer letter location, I am location. Data joining location. Compensation also. We can see right what is the remuneration part which the company is offering. So these things, your position, your job, your particular department or for which business unit you have been got selected. So these are nothing but the objects. Okay. These are nothing but the objects which we say in success factor. Employer and employee central, and these objects are nothing but the organization objects. Okay. These objects are nothing but the organization objects, and these organization objects are called as a foundation object. Okay. These organization objects are called as a foundation, or so HR data. When we say about HR data comprise of your pastel information, employment information. All these are coming under HR data when we go into the foundation object. Foundation object, that was mainly about the company structure that we discussed, company structure, what you will be in your offer letter. You will be also specifying from which company you are being selected, which division, which business unit. What is the job role? What is the position you will be holding? What is the compensation? What is the compensation part? You are a contractual employee or you are a regular employee? So that depends upon your employee. That depends upon your employee time. So all these things specifies that these objects in success factor we call as an organization object or we call as a company structure or the operator data. Okay. And these company structure and the corporate data it is called as a foundation object. Any questions here? No. Okay. So now we can see one part that is an HR data and one part that is a foundation data. So HR data is nothing but the employee data. Okay. So when we are setting up the configuration in the employee center, as we told employees employees of the employee data and the organization data. So employee data is nothing but the HR data and the organization data is nothing but the foundation objects. Got it? Yes. So now coming into the foundation objects, we will go into the HR data later, but coming into the foundation objects. So we need to discuss what are the organization structure or the corporate data which we call as a foundation object. So foundation object. What are the foundation objects in a generic term which we can able to say? What are the foundation objects? Foundation object comprise of legal entity, right? You have a business unit, you can understand the legal entity, right? Legal entities, nothing but the company, right? Legal entities, nothing but the company, okay? And then under the company, you may be having the business unit, then you may be having the division, you will be having that department, you will be having the location. Then pay grade frequency. All these things are coming under the foundation objects. Okay. So this comprise the corporate structure or the company structure? Okay. So it plays an important role, even for any of the system, that the company structure has to be configured and placed in the system. Otherwise we cannot able to go and create the HR data. Can we go and create a HR data without the company structure? You are hiring an employer. But for hiring an employer you will require a company right legal entity. So to whom, to how you will be mapping that particular data to that particular entity, that the entity is not available in the system. Okay. So for that the corporate data, that is a foundation object, plays an important role, because that is the place where we need to go and configure this organization structure first in the system. Then only we can able to go and create the HR data. Got it? So, once we are discussing about the foundation data, we need to understand what are the organization structures, what are the foundation data, so we can able to list out the foundation objects. General foundation objects are legal entities, business unit, division, department, location page, event reasons, dynamic roles, workflow. All these things are coming under the foundation of. Okay. So when we are discussing about the foundation object, that is, the corporate data or the company structure, we need to understand two concepts, two scenarios. One is how these objects are configured, where it is configured. That is one thing. That is one thing. And the second thing is, if this corporate structure is already configured with the help of this structure, how you are creating the record. That is the under scenario. Creating the record is one scenario, and where these objects and their fields are configured, that is the under scenario. So coming into foundation object, there are two things, how you can able to cope, how you can go and create a record. So there are two ways for which we can able to go and create a record. Okay, so when you discuss about these objects, that is legal entity, business unit, division, department. All these objects. So when you are going and creating an entity, legal entity in the system. So for that, This legal entity has to be defined in the system. If it is not defined, how you will create a record? Isn't it when you want to configure the company ID, company code? So if the structure is not defined, how you go and create a record? So the structure has to be defined, right? Yes. Yeah. Now I'm just regulating it, but I don't know which, because in SAP, we create all this in the SAP system itself. So we connect the CCP to EC or EC to EC. C depends upon the vertical. It varies from company to company. So in one organization, as I told you, we have already also discussed about the deployment model, right?
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.